Hello, my name is Gabriel Gomez, and welcome back to another video. And I have made a huge discovery. For all of y'all who watches Gravity Falls, there is Tell Two Stands and nobody sings when Stan's twin brother comes out of this portal, and he had 6 fingers. Now, get ready for the excitement. On a normal day, I just found this handprint with 6 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Everyone is from a tire.
That is odd. And don't listen to Eli the Doofus here. And that's odd because probably no one in the world has 6 fingers. So I only have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
But did you leave a cherry?
And this is a huge discovery. These 6 fingers, someone could have lived here long ago, and they could have just printed it, do with concrete ink, and that's probably what it was. Comment down if you think this is awesome, and super awesome. That was a huge discovery for me. Yeah, I was just walking. Look, hear my reaction. Dun 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 dun. I'm just walking, gonna ride a scooter. I'm gonna ride my scooter. Oh my God! A 6-finger hand. I'm gonna go record this. So that's how it was when I saw it. And the next video is probably about Micah Diary. She is so cute, you can't get enough of her. So comment down if you think this is a good discovery, and I'll see you next time in the next video. Bye bye.